Morning, here we go. Probably we will do 25-30K just to see, explore what they have here in Silver Lake, Perth, Ontario. Grabe altar naman. Three and a half kilometers. Bakery, cafe, shop. Perfect day today. Sunny. Okay, 2 cars. They open at 9 o'clock. It's a beautiful place. Oh, nice. Yes, quick breakfast. Yeah, so we'll follow this road here, road 36, and then then left to falling rocks. No, not falling rocks. What is it again? Armstrong line. Car back. Anting na. Balo mula rin kay Kenny. Mag-enjoy ko talaga. Yeah, we're supposed to do the main roads. Small river right here. Look at that. Woohoo! Look at this. I think you can fly fish here. Now I got lots of batteries. Time to go home.